An insurance company may have to pay Ryan Ferguson nearly $38 million in damages for his wrongful conviction.
A Cole County jury ruled in favor of Ferguson and 6 Columbia police officers to get the rest of the money Ferguson is owed from his settlement with the city in 2017.
Our ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live in studio tonight. Mitch, the jury added $35 million on top of the nearly $3 million that the insurance company allegedly owed him.
Megan Lucas, one of Ferguson's attorneys, says that Ryan will get 86% of that verdict, while the 6 officers will get the other 14% split among them. The ruling is the latest in a lengthy legal battle, which has won Ferguson more than $40 million as a result of his wrongful conviction.
As far as I know, this could be the last 5 minutes I have as a free man for the next decade or the rest of my life.
10 years after suing the city of Columbia, Ryan Ferguson is still awaiting money owed in an $11 million settlement. Travelers Insurance, which covered the city of Columbia from 2006 to 2011, was ordered to pay Ferguson $1 million for each year he was in prison. The city and its current insurer paid out $2.75 million to Ferguson in 2017. Later that year, Ferguson sued Travelers to collect the rest of the money, arguing in the lawsuit that Travelers, quote, intentionally disregarded the financial interest of the officers in the hopes of escaping the obligation to fund the officers' defense, end quote. The 6 officers who worked the Kent Heitholt murder case were also accused of manipulating evidence to get a conviction, but have denied any wrongdoing.
Without exception, they did nothing wrong.
Ferguson's attorney, Kathleen Zellner, says that because Travelers declined coverage for the incident, the officers would have gone bankrupt if they were still forced to pay the settlement. Both sides went to a jury trial last month in Cole County to try Ferguson and the officers' bad faith claim against Travelers, which resulted in the nearly $38 million decision. Attorney Kathleen Zellner told ABC 17 in a statement, quote, this verdict will have a widespread effect on the wrongful conviction cases across the country when the insurer refuses to participate in the settlement negotiations and refuses to pay their share of the verdict immediately. The jury heard us loud and clear, end quote. Travelers already lost the other half of this case when an appeals court upheld a more than $5 million judgment in 2019. I reached out to the city of Columbia and Travelers Insurance for comment, but have yet to hear back.
Mitchell, thank you. Ferguson's attorney tells us that the money he's won as a result of his wrongful conviction is the largest verdict in the United States for 10 years of imprisonment.